As you can see, I have food and I'm eating, and I thank the Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Oluwa she go. Now good day. Hey guys, how you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. So we're starting this channel in a very awkward way, but in a very subtle way. I hope you guys understand. Anyway, so while the big brother housemates are having their dinner, I decided to make my own dinner, and yes, obviously, why not? So I'm having toast bread for dinner. Yes, and I'll be having that with probably a glass of juice, you know, as the spirit leads. So I'll introduce you guys to my vegetables. I'm already trying to prep them up, you know, making them look beautiful, and I'll show you guys my setup and everything I do. Okay, so I'll see you guys. I'm done prepping. This is actually a quick video. So this is some shredded chicken breast and mayo. Yeah, so yummy. I told you guys that this sandwich is the juiciest that you ever have. So in here I have my vegetables. This is lettuce, I have some tomatoes, I have green pepper, I have a little Scotch bonnet, yes, which I'll be adding to the shredded chicken and mayo mix. Then I have some onion, and here I have my carrot. So let me get the bread and let's get started, because I'm having an amazing dinner. I don't know why it's raining, but if you guys can hear me, hello. Hey y'all, so let's assemble everything together. Let me point out that my toaster is not plugged to the light, so I laid out my bread on the toast, and then I'm adding my lettuce. Please use as much as you want, okay? I don't want my sandwich so bulky, and this will also help to reduce the sagginess of my bread. Yeah, so I added just a little bit, you know, at least I wanted to have the flavor of the lettuce in it. So to that I'll be adding my shredded chicken and mayo mix. You can as well add a little mayo on your bread so that your lettuce can stick to it, so that it doesn't move just the way mine is running around. But I don't like mayo so much, so I can only tolerate this much in my chicken. You can as well add ketchup, honey, whatever you like in your toast. So after that I'm adding my shredded carrot. I grated them though. Then I'm adding my onions. You can put whatever vegetable you want, and you can do whatever you want. The most important thing is making sure that your breadcrumbs are really, really nice. So I'm adding my green bell peppers, and then my slice of tomatoes, which is going to make this so yummy. So yummy, guys. This was so beautiful. As in, just look at the setup, guy, I beg. So I'm covering this up, and don't forget to wash your hands, guys. My hands are clean as I'm doing this, and because I'm making it for myself, that's why I'm using my hands. So my toaster is on, and now the LED light is off, guys. Look at that lushness of this bread. So perfect. Like, this is perfect, guys. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. I love the way food looks, and when it looks as great in my eyes, it tastes so great in my mouth, and it feels so good in my tummy, you know. Anyway, guys, so I already removed it from the light. Please don't do this when your toast is still plugged to the light, please, to avoid electrocution, okay? Man, no bite tongue, so I speak English this night too. So guys, just see the way this looks so juicy inside. You can see my tomatoes, you can see my lettuce, you can see my green bell peppers, you can see the juiciness from the mayo and chicken mix, and you can see that my bread is still firm. I love to have my toast when it's hot, right? Some of you can allow it to cool down, but remember, once it, as long as it still cools down, your bread might become saggy. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Color.